How will you be able to create a email signature according to your need? That is going to be shown in this video. First of all, we are not going to use any of these online signature creating website tools because some of those are paid and limit your own creativities. As well as we neither use Canva nor HTML coding because Canva can't provide us clickable links features for social media sharing, and HTML code is something that is difficult for some of you. So instead of those, we are going to use Google Doc, and then you have to click this plus icon, go to insert table 2 by 1, then again insert image, upload image, click on your own image, import. Let's align it right. Okay, then click image option, give its value 2.5. Okay, write here your name, then your title, let's align this in the center, size 20, bold, Arial, size 14. Okay, insert horizontal bar picture, insert telephone icon, insert email icon, align this left, align this left, type here your own cell phone number, then type here your own email address here, then again insert icon, LinkedIn icon, Facebook icon, Instagram icon, website icon. Okay, value 0.5, value 0.5 because I want to reduce size of all of these 4 icons. One space between 2 icons. Okay, now I am going to attach hyperlink for these icons. First of all, I am going to visit my LinkedIn profile and then copy this link, then click insert link, paste, apply. Then you have to visit your Facebook profile, Then you have to copy your Facebook profile link, insert, paste, apply. Then you have to visit your Instagram profile, copy that profile, and then insert, paste, apply. If you have your own website, then visit your website, copy, then paste here. Okay. Then click somewhere inside the table, then click this table option, then color, then select 0 pt to hide unnecessary table border. Oil, then click on this share. Okay, and make sure link is available for anyone. Okay, we are not going to select the link, we are going to select this signature something that we have just created. For this, all you have to do, Control A for select all and Control C for copy all. Then go to your Gmail and then click on this setting icon. See all settings. Go down. No signatures. Click on Create New. Give it a name. Okay. Then you can see this white box next to this name. Just paste it, Control B. This is your signature. Okay, here bar is not showing. Just click here and press backspace. Then horizontal bar image will be shown. Now click on this no signature. Then drop down menu will be appear. Click signature. Click signature. Okay. Save. Done. Whenever you are going to click this compose for writing new mail, you will be see that your signature is by default appeared. Thank you.